Now, it so often happens in businesses that the housekeeping tasks like maintaining a knowledge base get neglected because day-to-day work just gets in the way. So when it comes to teaching people how to use an application, often it's far quicker to record a video than to write down every single step in some kind of manual. There are applications like Loom or Screencastify which allow you to record your screen and your voice with or without your camera, and both of those are available as a Chrome extension. Now, training videos can also be fantastically useful for skilling up a distributed team or skilling up a team in a second location, like a second manufacturing plant, for example.